Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of June, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and I will link those ladies so you can stop by and check them out. What are we doing today? Sinking funds. So last week we did sinking funds. This week we're hanging on. Actually, what I decided to do is pull part of the money that I have for this week's cash stuffing, and then I'm going to see if I can collect a few more dollars to put with the money that I have now for next week. I did take some time off, so as it stands right now, I am off from work, so I don't have a whole lot of extra income. I actually was thinking about door dashing because that's my other way that I can make money. However, my starter is giving me issues, and I just got my alternator replaced. I got 2 new tires. I still have work to do on my car, and I've been doing a little bit at a time, and I've been trying to pace myself. There are some other things that need to be done, but I have to make decisions, you know. So that's why I was just like, well, let me just figure out what's going on. I have been in touch with an apartment complex. I did mention before that I want to move, so that's my priority, but I do need transportation, so that's why I'm still trying to figure out my whole car situation. Let's count up what we have. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I have $45 today, which is a fantastic amount of money because of my circumstances. I don't have a lot of income this week, but I figured I know I'm going to need some spending money, and I still want to focus on my goals. All right, so let's start with my kiddos binder. Good news, we still have money in our sinking funds. Bad news, spending money is going pretty quickly out of my kiddos binder. So for back to school, we're just going to add $5 today, which I think will be a good little number to get us going. All right, so we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. And I think I'm going to go ahead and take, let's put 5 and 5. Let's take this 10. And then that way we have some ones. We don't have a whole lot of money we're working with today, but we don't want to skip out on the things we need to be taken care of. All right, so back to school, taken care of. Birthday. Completely took all of this cash from my kiddo's birthday. Victor's birthday was a lot of fun. We did go to a restaurant, and I had opened my big mouth a few videos back. I said, oh no, I'm not going to pay for other people. I ended up paying for everybody who came, and probably not that great of an idea because it ended up being way more than I anticipated it was going to be. So birthday, I think what we'll do is, let's come back to birthday. Clothing, we went to the thrift store, got some items, and we only have $20 left in clothes, which is fine because once again, it is important for us to take care of those things. All right, so fun has $40 left, and I think for fun, we're just gonna move that into birthday because we are gonna work on making sure my other kiddo, whose birthday is next week, we are making progress for him. Let's add $5 there. We have 20, 45. So the next outing, I did agree to a place for my other kiddo, but I let everybody know it's going to be the same people coming. It's the same group of people that come to support my kiddos. I let them know that I'm only paying for myself and my children. So I mean, I would love to, but the other place is really expensive, and there's no way I'll be able to afford it. I don't think I'm going to put anything to fun. We went to the movies to see How to Train Your Dragon, so that was fun. They did go with a friend to a trampoline place, so that was fun for them. And then also they've been going to play golf with their uncle, which has been a whole lot of fun. However, if we have cash left, we'll come back to that one, but I think for now they're okay. They have their game systems and things like that to keep them occupied. This binder is my catch-all savings and spending, and I have some things coming up, but let's see how we're going to make this happen. Let's add $5 to car maintenance. Like I said, I do have some work that needs to be done, and I don't know. I don't know where this money is going to come from. Somebody adopt me. Thank you. I have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22 in car maintenance. All right, and then home has $5. I think that's plenty. I did once again buy some things for our home. So for anyone who is interested in knowing, I will let you know. Our electricity went out for almost 24 hours. So I got a hotel for my kiddos because I picked up a double. I worked a double. I picked up an extra shift that day. And I didn't realize, obviously, that it was going to be an issue. But the way the system is set up at my job is that once you accept the shift, you're not able to end it without or remove yourself from the shift unless you use your time, which I didn't have time. Obviously, I'm pinching off my time as it stands. So I had to put my kids in a hotel where I could actually know that they're safe and they have internet and they're able to get in touch with me if anything were to go wrong. My first shift, they were sleeping. So when I went back to the hotel before my second shift started, I grabbed them and brought them home. And so that way my neighbor could, keep an eye on them, because that time frame, they were able to get the electricity back on eventually. It was a big mess. It was oh my goodness, it was horrible. What it showed me is that I'm not prepared for when things happen like that, and I need to put a better plan in place. But home, I did, there's actually a candle sitting next to me that I did purchase. Candles are great, but I think that they're also a big fire hazard, especially with a anxious kitty jumping around and running around. He did mellow out quite a bit, but it was just to the point where I was like, there's no way we could stay here. We waited as long as we could, or I waited as long as we could. All right, sorry about the rant. I knew I'm not prepared. I'm not prepared for incidences like that, and I need to work on that, especially being a single mom and nobody to come rescue us. We're in a position where things have to be planned out and kind of have an idea of what to do. My safety net, we're going to add $5 there, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. That's plenty. I have, like I said, since I'm off from work, I do need this cash to get my weekly expenses taken care of. All right, so self-care, I did put $3 in there last week, and I did spend it. It was during the electric outage fiasco. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should we put $5 in there? Let's see, what do we have? I think I'm going to put $5 in self-care. I'm probably going to spend this. I saw some nail polish because my nails keep breaking. They don't look too bad right now, but they keep breaking, and I need some strengthener. And I was thinking, self-care. You got to take care of yourself. So I do want to do something about that. One second. All right, Christmas. This binder I purchased. Miss Frugal, I'll link her down below. She had a really good sale for her dad's birthday, I believe it was. I went ahead and snatched it up. So the sale made it $12. It came with the binder and then lots and lots of envelopes. And I figured this is perfect because remember, I had the setup before with the clear envelopes, but they would stick together. And these are crystal clear, but they're not sticking together. So what I decided to do, throw the dashboard in the front, and behind it is the envelope with the money. Boom. It's so cute. It matches the aesthetic of this setup. Works out perfectly. These dashboards are actually in our shop. So if you're interested in them, feel free to grab them. They kind of have like this Christmas theme, but it's, more neutral colors instead of like the red and typical red and green. Okay, anyway, let's start with Victor. And these have the loading from the inside, and I thought that was really cool because if you stand it up, the money is not going to fall out. That's one of the things I worry about with the other binders, but let's have $5 for Victor. Okay, so we have 100, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, and let's pull some ones and add this 5. And my other kiddo should have the same amount, who is up next, Vincent. Oops. All right, sorry about that. So my next kiddo, Vincent, should have the same amount. So let's add $5 there. All right, so we have 100, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And we're going to do the same thing. Take these ones. Perfect. So then we can add a little bit to the other categories. All right, so mommy, let's see. Let's add $3. 1, 2, 3. All right, and mommy has 50, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, $80. And I've mentioned before, some of these, some of the categories have, well, all of them have an amount listed. I'm going to try to reach those goals, and then I'll move on to solely focusing on the ones that I need to hit. So miscellaneous, should we put anything in there? Miscellaneous is looking good, Let's add $2. Well, let's see. How much do we have there? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add $1. And let's see how much we have in total. 20, 40, 60, 65, 60, 67, 68, 69, 70. That's a good number. That's a good number. Miscellaneous is just if we want to go to the Creative Lights, or if we want to do something special, or donate money, or buy gifts for other kids, or something like that, we'll have it. Special gift is a gift from my mother. Let's see. Let's add $3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we have 50, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, $75. All right, and then we'll add this last $3 to PTO. Let's see. PTO week 1 has 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, that's a good little number. I still haven't figured out what I'm doing in terms of how much I need each week. I was thinking maybe stop at 350 and move on to the next week. But once these amounts, their goals are reached, like Vincent and Victor both are 200, mommy is 100, so on and so forth. Once they're reached, then I'll move on to the other envelopes. As a matter of fact, miscellaneous was a goal amount of $50. Oh, what are we going to do about that, Silenthia? We're gonna make some changes. We have $20 to move around. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. This one's fully funded. I'm gonna stop that one, and then we are going to, let's add, I feel like for Christmas, my kiddos are so very important. I decided I wasn't gonna make a big deal about Christmas, and because we did so much for their birthdays, but I still want to make the effort to, you know, do something special for them. I kind of want to keep the same amount. Let's see what where we can get change really quick. Bear with me, guys. I did not think this through. I'm not certain I ever think it through, do I? Yeah, whatevs. Not enough money there. Where did we have money? Not enough there. Okay. And let's see. 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, we did it. We found some change, which means that we can add a few more dollars. Let's see here. Okay, I'm really smiling very hard because now we can, let's put $5 to each of the boys, and then we'll add a few more dollars into birthday. So now Victor has 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. A few more dollars to go on that, and he will reach his goal. And then we'll move on to Vincent, where we'll add another $5. And we have 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And then we can we're going to add this last, I believe it's $10 to birthday. I do need to make sure. We're going to a seafood restaurant. My kiddo, from last week, his birthday, we went to a sushi place, which is reasonably priced. That's why I opened my big mouth saying I would pay for, because it's reasonably priced, but I guess not with that many people. So let's add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more dollars to birthday. Yeah, that's good. Let's see. 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. That's amazing. Okay. And hopefully next week we can put some more cash in here. I'm going to see what I can do. I'm not going to beat myself up or anything like that. You guys know how I feel about whatever I can do, I will do. And I'm really liking this setup. It's a small little desk. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. It looks like it belongs like in a first grade classroom. It's so small, but I'm loving it. So yeah, I'm hoping that this angle works perfectly. I'm going to leave the everything set up the way that it is so that way I can film again next week. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.